How you feeling, baby? Poor little baby. She got her TV, her little $10 a day TV. I wish we had Cody in here. My little baby here.
We're at risk of losing her.
Early dinner demands only an Olive Garden. You're searching names for websites looking for the best hotel deal. Is everybody welcome all the way from Hollywood? Live
We waiting for you, Kenji. Your mom's trying to get rid of me. Little baby out here drinking. Little. Can I get a little smile? Hello, baby. I love you. Y'all see this video 30 years from now when I'm not gonna be here. Got the baby over here with the TV. Little baby Kenji before he came out the cooch. Let's say we got mommy in here.
Goodbye. Oh my God. I forgot his laptop. You want to watch TV? I just packed everything after I got out the shower.
I'm like.
I just packed everything before we got. After I got out the shower. I thought you packed your things.
She didn't pack nothing. I asked her, I'm like, you packed the bag? She's like, oh.
You have the bag ready. I was telling you before to put the baby's clothes and everything.
No, I just did.
Came at 11 o'clock. Well, no. We came here at 12 o'clock. Came at 12 o'clock, and we still here. Got the little baby there. Mama bear right here. And your boy behind the scenes recording everything. Baby's tired. She didn't sleep last night. Nope. That's how they check your pressure. 2 minutes till 12 hours in here. Once again, the machine is fucking driving us crazy. Good, baby? Baby looking like a little cat.
Should I tell them how to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm on Saturday or Sunday.
Hi, good luck.
Got it?
Thank you. First time buyers.
Come back a little bit.
Something.
On Saturday, Sunday. I'm on Wednesday. On Thursday. On Friday, You want the
Yeah.
Because once I give you the stato,
Okay.
you're going to be able to get up. Oopsie. Sorry. Oh, it's my fault.
Woke up in the morning. Yeah, this little thing. And my poor baby here. Baby Kenji.
Nice. The contraction is nice. Hard. It goes.
It's contraction. Mommy having a contraction right now.
But they don't want to do it again because you know the contraction is nice and the heartbeat is nice, and if they keep checking her, she might get infection because she was leaking already. She broke her water 11 o'clock yesterday, so they want to. The mother and one Margarita came to bring us food. She stayed. What you were gonna do? She's hungry. Huh? Again?
I don't know, babe. It's a moment of truth. How you feel right now?
I'm nervous.
Nervous? Don't worry. Baby's coming. Got your mom right here. Mommy Dukes. Your mom never nervous. She's like straight. I'm nervous. I'm nervous because my first baby. My little baby's over here. I don't want my baby to be in no pain. And I love her a lot. And this little baby, little Kenji, little Bikoy. We still don't know your name, though, kid. But we don't know if it's gonna be Ethan, Hunter, Bryant. We don't know yet. We'll find out when we see you. I'm over here waiting for this. I'm nervous as hell. Oh man, I'm fucking nervous. I want the baby to be alright. Just be good. Please, God bless him. Just take care of him. Johnny, I'll take care of him too. Just keep him here. I want to see him grow up. I want to see him get old. Be successful in this world. That's what I want for him. Okay? Love you, baby. Once again, waiting another little area, man. Waiting for this baby, man. She's crazy. I can't believe a baby's gonna come out. Oh man. I feel like I've been talking to him since forever. Just talking to him at night, giving him kisses. God knows what he's doing, man.
No, you know what? I'm not for something. I'm not fully ambidextrous because, like, when I was learning how to write, I only learned how to write with my right hand.
Yeah.
I can write a little bit with my left hand, but it sucks.
Yeah.
I can do most things, but it also, like, my cousin who taught me how to shoot a basketball was left-handed, so I shoot a basketball left-handed. I'm much better left-handed than I am.
You got a nice little crowd. He's a baby. Aww.
Can we straighten with you?
How you feel, mommy? You good? Got your baby here? It's okay, all the hard work paid off. Oh, baby. Oh.
Did they say how long I just
Huh?
You okay, baby?
Yeah.
You're not.
Baby Kenji. Ethan Vincent. Oh, he's like, what? What's going on?
You want to put the clothes?
Hey.
No.
My little chinito right there. Oh. Little big cheeks. Yeah, it's getting there. Bicoicito. Chenchecito. Look at this little baby. Whose baby is that?
Then, you know, tea is better for
The others came in.
Why?
Smile. You're so cute. Oh my god.
The others came in.
Joe is right.
Why?
Little Merry Chris.
He got it from Joey's wife.
Yeah,
My white side, my mom's side.
tan. Maybe his kulot.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, his kulot. You can tell. Oh, your kulot. Oh.
Very hairy kid.
That's what you said, George.
That's why he has so much hiccups.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh. That's very cute.
I would have been out, not down. Like,
Oh.
so it would have been harder for me to touch. So
First day's birthday. Little baby birthday. First birthday for the baby.
Day of birth.
Day of birth. Happy birthday.
Happy day of birth. Happy birthday.
This baby. Everybody loves you, little baby. So when you see this in the future, everyone loves you.
It's his birthday. Yeah. Literally. Early birthday. Day of birth.
Oh, little baby so lucky.
Say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Ethan. Happy birthday to you. Yay! He smiled.
Yeah, sit down.
It's a video.
Stop. He's like, yeah, what? Oh my god. Why don't you sit down? I want to sit down.
Because you're so down, don't sit down.
Well, he's been sitting down all day.
Come on, little baby.
Baby, don't shake up. Wow, moving your head. You have a strong head. Okay, Mr. Hall.
Got the whole family in here. Gotta document these things. For the baby, it's his first week in this world.
She have the cake yesterday.
Yeah. Everybody said, oh my god, this boy. He just born have cake already. Hey, look at you.
They don't. The boy Joe out here. Big. Swagging it. With a little Jinjincito.
Jinjincito.
Ethan.
Yeah,
Ethan.
aquí.
How are you, Ethan? You okay? Chinito. Ah. Ñoño con su abuelita. He's happy. Dile. Still trying to get baby to go to sleep. Teamwork. Last day in the hospital, Ethan. How do you feel? Are you excited? Are you can't wait for it? Huh?
Look, that's you. Good morning, how are you?
That's it. Moment of truth. The last day.
Going home.
How was this experience, babe? I don't know.
How to describe it?
Oh, they chopped you down.
Stop!
How was your experience, Ethan? Did you enjoy this?
Oh yeah, I enjoyed it.
How was your first time being out here? Huh? Oh, word? That's what happened? You tripped and you fell down through something? There was a hole and started squeezing you?
Oh.
Oh, poor baby. That's my little baby right there.
You look ugly.
Stop.
Stop.
He's going to the internet right now.
No.
Look at that smile, yo.
Stop.
Even when she pain, she in a smile. It's baby mom's right there, yo. Look at my little Chinito.
Looks just like you.
He's only Chinito when he closes his eyes, but then
When he opens his eyes.
he's open his eyes, he's Spanish. That's it.
Wait,
Your last shot in here.
wait, let me get this thing.
Your
I
last
wanna take
shot.
this home.
Your last shot. What's his name? What's the baby's name? Ethan Alcantara. That's when you was born. So your name is Ethan Santos. Ethan Vincent Santos. You heard, little kid? So, y'all made it all the way to Long Island, to the squad.
Oh my god, 3.5 hours.
Do you not know what goes on? What, make a good thing before you carry?
My,
Who wants to change?
Yeah,
She
Nina
wants
to
to
change
change.
it.
You
ah,
want Nina to change it?
got baby Ethan.
He's
Ethan. Ethan.
video too?
What's
Is
good?
it video too?
Yeah.
It's footsie.
Oh,
Got a
she
little
wants,
Ryan out here.
she wants to,
Mama,
she wants,
Theo, Kuya, Ate. Got the squad. The baby.
Stop! There's no baby.
Okay, babe.
It's a long week. Now he's here chilling with his kuyas. Ethan. Ethan, say what up. Ethan.
Hey, let's take a picture with them.
Oh, my baby. We seen. You dig?
For Ethan.